give me my body.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello my beautiful fashionistas, how you doing today? I'm bringing it different. Your girl is coming to you with a fresh face, okay? And today's video is gonna be pretty fun, okay? Because I've been having a lot of questions on how I do my brows, okay? So before I get into that, I just want to share with you some natural products I've been using. My auntie started her skincare line, and pretty much I've been using. She gave me some samples to use for 2 weeks, and it's just 2 weeks, right? And I'm seeing the improvement on my skin, guys. So she haven't found a name yet, but she said it's gonna be kind of associated with Bone County organic, everything natural, and I've been seeing a great improvement in my skin. That's why I decided to come barefaced, okay? It's a little weird, you know, because you know, you get so used to using makeup on the camera, and when you come without makeup you feel so blunt. But I mean, that's my natural skin. I have to embrace it. These are the products I have in this real cute looking basket I have here. So this one is the facial exfoliator. This is it. That's how it looks. Rich. You can see I've been using it. I don't know everything that's in there, but everything is pure and organic. And this is one of my favorite. You see how it's been used? That's the facial soap. I use this 2 times a day, and I think it has some exfoliating stuff in it, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it through the camera, and it kind of exfoliates my skin. I put it directly on my skin, so it looks really, really good. You can see the improvement, okay? And this is the facial oil. It tastes, I mean, it smells kind of citrusy. So I figure there's some kind of lemon or something in here, and I'm loving it. Right now I have a fresh face, and this one is the facial oil. So that's exactly what I have on my face at the moment. And this is the body strap. I just used this a couple of times, right? That's how it looks like in there, the body strap. And this one is the body soap. How it looks like. And it has the natural body butter as well. So natural. Look in there, it's everything natural and organic. I'm telling you, I don't know, it's amazing. If you see her skin, I told her, like, oh, Enter JB, I see why you always look amazing. All right, if you're interested in this product, trying to try it, contact me. She's gonna do your custom made and send that to you. So my beautiful auntie Zainab, thanks so much. Do your brows. How do you do your brow? I started doing my brow even before I started doing makeup. I know it sounds funny, but before I got into makeup, I was always conscious of my brows, because you know, brows really shape the face. It puts the face in shape. So guys, I'm going to show you 2 ways I do my brows. Okay guys, so in order to start the 2 ways I do my brows, these are what I have on hand. Okay, so this is just a little fluffy kind of dense brush, and this one is a little, you know, shorter and dense, and this one is like an ankle brush, and this is the little brush for the eyebrows, and it's like a comb kind of. I usually use the spooler. So I have 2 type of pencils. I have the dark brown pencil and the black pencil. So I have 2 ways I'm showing you. One is like the face beat kind of brows, and the everyday on the go no makeup kind of brows. So the face beat one gonna be here, and the no makeup one gonna be here. So guys, I'm rocking a new hairstyle. Tell me what you think about my hairstyle. All right, I was hooked up by my friend Aya Glam Latoya. She has a hair braiding salon, and she's really good. So This is a black opal and it's in the color Heavenly Honey, which is A44. It's a little way light for me. My sister gave this to me, but I don't sport products, so I make use of it. Usually a concealer, you want to make sure your concealer is about 2 shades lighter. It's lighter than your complexion, so that it can like bring out the eyebrows. Okay, so I'm first of all starting up with my Earth Brown pencil. Guys, don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh. That's like when I want a real beat, like a makeup kind of beat. I don't mind people knowing I'm wearing makeup. That's the kind of brow I do. So this side, I start with my dark brown pencil. So I'm tracing my natural brows area with the brow pencil all the way. And then I'm going in the brow, gently blending it according to my hair shape. I'm making sure the front is lighter and the darker part is at the edge. Now I'm brushing through it with my brush or spooler towards the natural shape, gently. And then this is optional. That's the Wonder Brow. It's just waxy, so I'm just applying it to keep it put. And now I'm applying my concealer around the shape of the brow, making sure I don't get into the brow, just around it, real, like you drawing around it real gently. And then I'm blending it with my blending little brush. Blend it all around. Make sure it goes into the skin. You want to push it into the skin a little bit and blend it. Blend it till you desire it or how you desire it. And I'm just going back and brushing it a little bit for all those residue. Now I'm applying my setting powder. You can use your setting powder if you have your regular face powder. You can use that as well, just to set the concealer, to set it and stop it from creasing, and blend it real good. And now the second one, this is the everyday no makeup look. I'm using my black pencil. I'm just doing the same stroke gently through my brows. And this one is just the black pencil, gently, not real hard. And I'm concentrating at the edge of the brows because I'm trying to keep it looking natural. And then I brush into it the same way as well. Just brush into the desired, way you want it, and just wipe around it with your fingers, since it's a no makeup. This is the look. Tell me which side is your favorite, whether you like the everyday no makeup look or you like the face beat look. Pretty much this is so simple and easy. All you have to do is keep practicing and you're gonna get there. So okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my everyday no makeup look when I'm running through the door and I just want to look a little bit put together. This is what I go for. And this one is the face beat, right? You notice the makeup is all around there because obviously foundation is going to cover it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? There's a red button right under where you're watching. It says subscribe, so hit that button. It's going to turn green. That means you subscribe. And there's a little bell right at the side. You hit it, it's going to give you notification whenever I upload videos. So put down your comments on what you want to see, on what video you would like to do, and tell me what you want to see next.